Montague, you mentioned a couple of questions from a recent study that looked at young people, and some of the seminal questions seem to be, who am I, where do I fit, and what difference can I make? I wonder if you can think through with me how those three pieces dovetail with your work on critical storytelling.
Yeah, so as I mentioned in the lecture, I was referencing a recent study that was led by Kara Powell and Brad Griffin, and I had the privilege of being a part of that study as part of the research team. And yeah, what was found is that young people have three major questions that they are thinking through and wrestling with. And there are three major questions that, as youth workers, we ought to engage young people with. And those questions are: who am I? Where do I fit? And what difference can I make? It's really getting at this notion of identity and purpose and belonging. And ultimately, critical storytelling is about cultivating discernment. It is about cultivating belonging. It is about cultivating agency. And so, what I was simply saying there is that this work of critical storytelling actually connects well with what has been found to be three primary questions or three primary concerns that young people are really wrestling with. Even if they're not naming that as what they're wrestling with, we found that it truly is a major part of that adolescent journey.